Yes, so we're gonna stop by Rainbow to see what we have in Rainbow. I know they have like some little perfumes and stuff they be having that I'll get for the girls. I'll have to get the boys cologne.
Hello, ladies.
Probably will get closer to school time.
Oh, this is scary.
So yeah, Rainbow first. All right, let's go. All right, go. Come on, Gregory. Sorry.
Oh wait.
Oh wait, you can't smell none of them. They're not open.
This one. Ew, you ugly.
All right, so get
this one. Smell it.
okay. Put it down, y'all. Get one of those.
I'll get this one.
You can't get this one. This is for girls. All right, Gregory.
Yeah.
All right, guys. We are headed to
Back it up, back it up, back it up, back it up, back it up.
Walmart next.
Okay. 8 or 5.
Ooh.
Do it both ways.
We are headed to Walmart next.
Or eyes off.
What? All right, come on. All right, y'all. So we are headed to Walmart to finish hygiene shopping, and that's where we'll most likely be done at.
Yeah.
I am tired. We did probably like two and a half videos already.
We did 3.
We did 3 videos already.
We didn't do more. Like
We did 3 videos already, and we did some reels as well.
This is fun.
So
Let's do 5
let's
videos.
get this content going. Once we get to the store, we will let you guys see what I will be getting from there as well. Yes, to the content. So we'll see you guys on the way. Driving to all the close parking spots. Oh nope, I seen a little bit closer. A little bit closer. Right here. And we're here. Oh, come on, get out of the road. He wants to know why is it called Walmart. That's a good question. No, we're not getting in. Trey, push it. Oh, sorry, both of y'all can push it, okay? Don't start. Whoa. Walk. Come on, y'all going the wrong side, y'all.
I'm never.
So, the first thing we're going to be getting is we'll get the twin pack only because it's going to be one for Zari and then one for Aaliyah. So we're going to get that one.
What girl are you gonna get?
Then we could probably get another one. We got to go to the boys' side to get.
No, this one.
No, we're not going to get that one.
Maybe this one.
Maybe they can get the speed stick. Let's see. They can get the speed stick.
Oh, that's fine.
Both of y'all get one each. Alright, you're only gonna get one. Okay, I'm just gonna grab 2 of the toothpaste. I buy my own toothpaste. This is more so for them. Alright, let's grab. I said I'll do it. Alright, we're gonna grab 4. We get the smaller one.
And my teacher already put one of them in Georgia. And my big.
This is what we're getting so far.
They get a lot of stuff.
And then we're going to go to the, come down before everybody else want to get on. Okay, the body wash. Let's stick to the body wash.
Mommy, get this.
No.
You can get this, Mommy.
No. I usually like this.
Woo!
Let me smell the blue one.
And it's blue.
That one.
Oh, can I smell it?
Oh, that one smells good.
I want to smell it. I want to smell it. Smells like ice cream.
So I sometimes get, you know, they usually bathe in this. And it makes their body relax. So that's what I'm going to grab.
Yeah.
We already got one. No, we already got one. This stuff is not cheap. This is the price for it. $5.87. And then we're gonna get maybe, I think I want to get another body wash. I think I want to get the pink one. I don't really like stuff on this side like that. So this is what we're getting so far. Alright, let's go. Grab another one. Get one for Aaliyah. Different colors, please.
This one's right together.
Get the color you're gonna get, sorry.
I can get blue.
Yeah.
Actually, I'm gonna get this one.
Alright, put the black one back.
This is for me. It's for me. They stuck together.
Alright, come on. Put it in, hurry up.
They stuck together. Is that for you, mommy?
Y'all, these little small little mini lotions are 97 cents. And guess what? That's what I'm about to grab. Of course, I'll grab more. This is what I'm gonna grab. So they have all the mini stuff, of course. That's right here in Walmart. Yeah, so I think we'll be heading to the cash register now. Let's go. We're done. We're about to cash out right now. Alright, we're gonna leave this stuff. Wait. Wait, y'all. You gotta pay for his stuff. Stand back. Alright, move, sorry. Let me finish recording. It don't even look like it's a lot, but I guarantee it's gonna be a lot.
And guys, this is what we look to take a bath.
Yes.
And our hand sanitizer.
Period.
Hey guys, we're officially done with our hygiene video. And hope you guys enjoyed the video. And thank you for joining us on our hydration video. Woo! Like, subscribe, comment down below. Hygiene.